Hello and thank you for joining our Dash Trader Tips video. Today we'll be covering our Market Replay feature on the Dash Trader Pro. Our Market Replay feature allows you to simulate stock and market action from previous days. Used in tandem with our demo accounts, you're now able to go back in time and place trades, analyze your decision making, and fine-tune your trading strategies and skills, all in a controlled environment. In this video, we'll show you how to configure and start using this powerful tool on your Dash Trader platform. Market Replay. Our Market Replay tool is available in version 5.5 or higher. To check your version of DAS, go to Help and About to confirm that you have the current enough version. If you need to upgrade, use the Auto Upgrade feature under the Tools tab. Once you have the appropriate version of DAS, you can bring up the Market Replay tool by going to your File tab and selecting Data Stream Mode to bring up the Quote Mode window. As you can see, it is set to normal, which means that the data coming in is in real time. Selecting Replay will allow you to play back previous day's stock and market action. Once you hit Apply, it'll ask you to confirm your switch to Replay mode. Hit OK to make the switch. Once in Replay mode, you can select the day and the stock you wish to replay and hit Download. Files will download locally within a second and you are set to start your replay. The bottom section here is where you'll control the period and the time you wish to start viewing your replay. I'll move this window over to the side so that you can see the chart and count windows as we go through this demo. I start by hitting play and then I use the time bar to skip through the pre-market and into the early market action in Apple on January 28th. Now I can start testing my strategies by making simulated trades as if I was trading on that particular morning. Here I'm buying 1,000 shares of Apple at the market, which has been executed and now sitting in my positions window as noted here. You can use the controls in the Quote Mode window here to pause stock action to analyze data and your decisions. Move forward in time with the time bar to see how those decisions played out, and resume stock action to complete your trades at a pace that you set. If you wanted to view other market days, you would repeat the process by first downloading the file for that day, and then once completed, you can use the Load button to select the day you want to replay and hit OK. Instead of using the time bar to go to a specific time, you can also use the Go To button here on the end, which will allow you to specify an exact time that you wish to go to. Simply input your time and hit Go To. The last thing to note, that as you can see here, the replay is only showing level 1 market action. Level 2 will be out shortly in our next release. Once you're done with using replay mode, use the quote window to revert back to your real-time feed by selecting Normal and hitting Apply. Confirm your action and you're set. Thank you for joining our Dash Trader Tips video on our Market Replay. As mentioned, the Market Replay is a great tool to help you create, test, and analyze trading strategies to enhance your trading skills, helping to pave the way to becoming a more consistent and profitable trader. Thanks again for joining us.